Hi guys, let's look at desktop publishing. That is Form 2 topic. It's a topic in Form 2. So we needed to go through question and answers. And the first question is define the following terms. We have publishing, publication, and desktop publishing. So guys, when you talk about publishing, this refers to the process of producing and distributing written or visual materials such as books, magazines, newspapers, or digital content to the public. So when you talk about publishing, it's you are like delivering. You are trying to deliver some message either in written or in digital content. Then we have publication. When we do publishing, we produce a publication. So what is a publication? A publication refers to the final product of the publishing process, such as a book, a magazine, or a newspaper. Then we have now the action, desktop publishing or DTP. It is a type of publishing that uses specialized software on a personal computer to produce professional looking printed or digital documents. Then guys, we have purpose of desktop publishing. What is the purpose? So when we talk about the purpose of DTP or desktop publishing, number one is creation or creating and manipulating graphical objects. Number two is creating layouts, and number three is printing publication. So the purpose of publishing or DTP is to create and manipulate graphical objects. Then you can also say you are creating layouts, like for example you want to create a template, and also printing now the whole stuff. Then state three or state several advantages of DTP over traditional methods of publishing. So guys, we have digital distribution, that is DTP allows for easy digital distribution of publications which can be shared online, downloaded as PDF and accessed on a variety of devices. Then we have high quality output. DTP allow for precise control over that is typography, layout and color, resulting in high quality output that is consistent across all copies. So guys, we have high quality output. Then we have flexibility. DTPs allows for easy customization and design changes, making it easier to create unique and visually appealing publication. Then also DTP allows you to save on cost. Once you create one document, you can produce it many times. That is cost saving. And lastly, we have speed and efficiency. With the DTPs, the entire publishing process can be completed much faster than with the traditional methods. So the softwares allow for quick editing, formatting, and layout changes. So guys, those are some of the advantages of DTP over other ways of publishing. Then guys, we have types of DTP. State and explain two categories of DTP software. Guys, we usually have graphical based and layout based. These are the two categories or types of DTP. So we talk about graphical based and layout based. Now the difference is somebody will ask you to give the examples of DTP software. So we have graphical based and we have layout based. So when we talk about graphical based, we have Adobe Photoshop, we have Corel Draw and Adobe Illustrator. On the other hand, layout based, we have Adobe PageMaker, we have MS Publisher and Adobe InDesign. But in our syllabus, we use Adobe PageMaker or Microsoft Publisher. But I prefer Microsoft Publisher because of my own reasons. Then guys, question number 5. State advantages of DTP software over word processor. So here we talk about layout control, we have professional quality output, we have typographical options, we have consistency, and also we have it support complex graphics. So guys, you can just pause the videos and make short notes on the advantages of DTP software over word processor. Then guys, we have the toolbox of Adobe PageMaker 7. Remember, Adobe PageMaker latest version is 7.0. The publisher did not produce other versions. So guys, this is very important. This is the toolbox. We have the tools just like they have indicated here. You can pause the video to just go through the tools. They are vividly displayed for you. So we have the zoom tool, the hand tool, text tool, crop tool, etc. So this is the toolbox that we use in Adobe PageMaker. In Microsoft Publisher, we also have the tools. So if I launch Publisher for you guys, you'll notice that also Microsoft Publisher has its own tools. So when we go to insert, these are the tools that are available. We have WordArt, we have Draw. You see, these are the tools. But in Microsoft Publisher 2007, it has various tools that are so much equivalent or almost similar to this one. So guys, this is just a matter of applying the knowledge you have from Adobe PageMaker to other DTP. Then these are the functions of various tools, guys. We have pointer tool. It is used to select, to move, and resize blocks. Then we have text tool. It is used to select or type text. We have rotating tool. It is used to rotate selected graphics or text blocks. We have cropping tools, guys. This is used to trim imported graphics. We have line, used to draw lines. We have constraint tool. It is used to draw vertical or horizontal lines. We have rectangle for drawing rectangle and square. We have ellipse for drawing circular objects. We have ellipse frame. It is used to create circular or oval placeholder for text and graphics. We have polygon. That is for drawing various polygons. We have hand tool. It is used to scroll over the page. Then we have zoom tool. Very important. If you are dealing with a small graphic, you can hit the zoom tool, the zoom tool, guys, and then click on the page. It will zoom the page for you. Then, guys, we have the purpose. What is the purpose of rulers, document setup, and master page? Master page in Adobe PageMaker or in Publisher are used to create consistent layout and design throughout your document. Like, for example, guys, if I want to put a logo or on my textbook or on my magazine, you put it on the master page, then it appears all other pages. So master page is used to put similar layout that will appear each and every other page. Then we have document setup. In Adobe PageMaker, it allows you to define the parameters of your document, such as page size, orientation, margins, columns, and more. So document setup basically is how your document will look like. Then we have rulers. Rulers are used to measure and align the objects in the document. Simple and clear. There are explanations there just to support the first line, that rulers in DTP are used to measure and align the object in the document. Then we have question number 8, guys. Parts of Adobe PageMaker screen. These are the parts of Adobe PageMaker. We have these ones. So there is not much difference between the page layout of Adobe PageMaker and other DTP. So we usually have the paste board. This page here is used to paste stuff that you use them in the page margin here, that is in the area, that is in the page area. So here, wherever or whatever is put inside this margin is printable, but whatever is put outside in the paste board, it is not printable. Then you can also see the toolbox. The toolbox is part of that. Then question number 9, in DTP or desktop publishing, cropping and resizing are two different techniques. So explain or differentiate between cropping and resizing. Guys, when I talk about cropping, this is the process of removing unwanted parts of an image by trimming the edges. Whereas resizing, you hold the handlebars. So resizing is the process of changing the physical dimensions of an image by making it larger or smaller. So guys, when you talk about resizing, like if I may demonstrate, if I draw something here, if I just draw this, you see these are called the handlebars. You see now I'm holding the handlebars to either increase or resize. But when you talk about cropping, like if I just do this, guys, this is my screenshot. So when I'm cropping, I'm really removing. You see now I want to remove, you see, I'm removing the unwanted parts of the image. So then we have question number 10. Non-printable guides in DTP are used to help designers align and position objects on a publication. These guides are not visible when the document is printed or exported as PDF, but they help to ensure that the layout is consistent and accurate. So here I'm just asking, or the examiner is asking, about the importance of non-printable guidelines. So the non-printable guidance, these are the answers. It is time-saving. It also works on consistency, precision, and the importance of these ones are actually summarized there. Then we have there 3 types of non-printable guides in DTP. These are baseline guides, column guides, and margin guides. So guys, you can pause the video. You can pause the video to make sure that you take short notes on the baseline guides. We have column guides and margin guides. These are the 3 examples of non-printable guides in DTP. Then we have question number 11, guys. The DTP, you can make sure that an object has a solid color by doing what? Okay, in other words, I'm asking, how can you ensure that an object has solid color? So what you need to do is to select the object you want, then open fill, then you choose the color. Simple. Like for example, guys, if I remove this one, I want to put the color, fill color here. So you select the object, you go to format, then you can just go to shape fill, then you fill. That is exactly what I'm asking in the question. Then guys, we have the next question. How do you change the thickness? How do you change the thickness of a line? Simply, you just click on the line. Like if I remove this, I just go to insert, then I draw my line. I want to change the thickness. So I just go to shape out format, then I go to shape out line, go to where the weight is, then you click on 6pt and other. So simply you just click on the object, then you go to format, go to shape out line, weight, then you increase, you choose the points. You choose the points. You can also choose more lines here, guys. You can also choose more lines in that option. Then we have explain importance of grouping several objects together. Number 1, the first answer is for consistency. Like for example, if I want to apply the same color, the same fill effect, it will just be possible. Then we have efficient editing. That is, you can apply several changes together. Also organization, you can be in a position to organize the object as you wish, and also is a formatting. Formatting is improving the appearance of the object. Then list any 2 editing tools available in DTP. We have find and change tool. We have spelling tool. This is used for spelling, grammar, and spelling checker. And also you have the find and change. This one ensures that you can actually at a glance change a certain word or phrase using the find and change tool. Explain how to locate and change a sentence in a publication. Simple. Use find and change or replace command. You just press Control H or Control F depending on the Microsoft Office you are using. Then what do the term formatting a publication refer? Just like I said earlier, formatting is to improve. It is to improve the appearance. It is making something attractive. Like for example, guys, you can see I have separated the question and the answer using red color. So this is formatting. I'm just like improving the appearance. You see, now this one now is appearing. It is appealing to my eyes or your eyes. Then we have explained the importance of applying formatting styles to a format of a publication instead of using format menu. So each style already has a group of formats which can be applied to the publication with a single mouse click. Like I just do this, you see this one is easier rather than going now to format menu, then do the stuff. Then state the names of each of the following text cases. Text cases are whether characters are in capital letter or small letter. So like Dawn is good. This is title case. You see, I have capitalized the first letter of every word. That is called title case. But Dawn is good. Everything is capital. That one is called uppercase. Dawn is good. This is sentence case. It is a normal sentence that starts with a capital letter and ends with a small letter or a full stop. Then done is good, lowercase, everything is in small letters. So guys, the cases are title case, uppercase, sentence case, and lowercase. Then we have, how do you put a drop cap in DTP? It's very simple. To put a drop cap right now, if I want to put a drop cap, remember in DTP, in Microsoft Publisher, you must use a text box to type. So when I go to shapes, then I just type here done. Done is good. Like that, then let me just increase this one so that you can see. Now I want to put a drop cap. So simply, I just highlight it, go to format. You see there is a drop cap here. Then I just choose the drop cap I want. So that's how you put a drop cap. You just need to write that one in. So to put a drop cap in Microsoft Publisher, you can follow these steps. Open Publisher, type your document, click inside the text box, just like I have done. These are the steps. You have seen how to go about it. Meanwhile, you can pause the video and take short notes. Then we have discuss text wrapping. Guys, when we talk about text wrapping, this refers to the way text flows around objects such as images, graphics, or other design element. It allows designers to create complex layouts that combine the text and visuals in a visually appealing and effective way. Like now, if we talk about various types of text wrapping, we have square, we have tight, we have through, we have top and bottom, we have behind text, in front of text, etc. So guys, if you are talking about drop, that is text wrap, when you go to this point here, you can be in a position to see the text wrap. You can just use this one. These are the types of text wrap. Guys, we have none, square, tight. You can see them. These are the text wraps we are talking about. It's how your text is aligned over the text. Then we have, what is the difference between color separation and artwork? Color separation refers to the process of separating a design into its individual color components for printing. In DTP, color separation is often used for printing processes such as rayon, magenta, yellow, and black, or spot color, where each color requires its own plate or layout. Then we have artwork. This refers to the visual elements or graphics used in design or publication. Artwork can include illustrations, photographs, diagrams, charts, other visual elements that communicate the message or information. So guys, you can just pause the video and take short notes. Then we have explain the importance of scaling a publication during printing. So guys, when you talk about scaling, you are actually doing it for the purpose of correct size, compactability, layout adjustments, and cost effectiveness. So these are the reasons as to why somebody may do scaling. Then we have state some problems that may occur during printing and how to solve them. Number one, we have alignment issues, we have color discrepancies, we have paper jams, we have print quality issues, and also we have bleed issues. So these bleed issues, this occurs when the printer does not print the bleed area of a document properly, resulting to white edges. So you can just pause the video and review on the answers. Then guys, outline the steps you would follow to print artwork for campaign posters using color separation. So the first thing, prepare the artwork, prepare the files for color separation, prepare the printer, then print the first color, then repeat for each color. Repeat the printing process for each additional color layer or artwork, ensuring that each layer is properly aligned with its previous layers. Then dry and finish the prints. Allow the prints to dry completely and then trim or finish them as needed to create the final campaign poster. So guys, thank you very much for watching. Remember to subscribe. Also remember to share and comment on my videos. God bless you.